Welcome you all in the database management introductory second lecture. Today I am delivering lecture on the advantages of database management system. One of the main advantage of database management system is centralized management, and it is under the control of database system administrator. There are main 6 advantages of database management system. Number 1 is reduction of redundancy. Due to the centralized access or centralized control of the data by the database administrator, avoid unnecessary duplication of a record, which effectively reduce the duplication of amount of data, and for that the storage required to that duplicate data is less. Another advantage of avoiding duplication is the elimination of inconsistency that tend to present the redundant data files. The second advantage is shared data. The database allows the sharing of data under its control by any number of application program or user. The third advantage is data integrity. Now, what is the meaning of integrity? So the integrity means the data contained in the database is both accurate and consistent. Therefore, the data values consist of the storage could be checked to ensure that they fall within the specific range. For example, employee age limit. So there is a entry limit is 20, and the exit limit is 58 or 60. So that ranges. The third advantage is security. Data is of the vital importance to an organization and may be confidential. Such confidential data must be accessed by the authorized person only. So it becomes secured. Now the next advantage is conflict resolution. Since the database is under the control of database administrator, she or he should resolve the conflict requirements of various users and applications. The DBA choose the best file structure and the access method to get optimal performance for the response. The critical application, while permit the labs critical applications to continue to use the database. Next is the data independence. Data independence is usually considered for the 2 points of view: physical data independence and logical data independence. Physical data independence allows changes in the physical storage device or organization of the files to be made without requiring changes in the conceptual view or any of the external view in the external views, and hence application program must be the database and the files may be migrate from the type of physical media. The logical data independence gives the application program need not be changed or added to the existing fields or existing record. Not means logically that are not depends on the another files. This is the logical independence. So these are the basic advantage of DBMS. Once again I am repeated: data redundancy, security, data and integrity, data independence, conflict resolution. So these are the advantages of DBMS.